Nice keys, nice size spacebar, quiet and soft typing with the ergonomics for your palms to rest on the keyboard. With the 200 hours standby and 2000 milliamp battery that takes up to 2 to 3 hours to fully charge with hours of end of use. You're looking for a keyboard? For your gaming, computer needs, or just on the go, wherever you need to have a keyboard. We're going to show you what this keyboard is about. Velosaur is a keyboard ergonomic for your computer needs. We're going to open up the box, show you what you get inside, and you'll decide if this keyboard may be right for you. I like how the box has information on it, a picture of a keyboard. Also like how it's packaged and protected. It is lightweight, made of plastic, with instructions laid out on top nicely. It can replace a broken laptop keyboard. It has an area to hold your tablet and your smartphone. You're given a USB-A to C cable, a dongle, a USB-A to C adapter that fits over, so it turns into USB-C to C. On the bottom of your keyboard are rubber pads. You have the ergonomic lift that you can type on an angle. It's a nice large keyboard with a hand pad. The on and off switch and the USB-C port. All your keys and 3 buttons and 3 LED lights. An internal battery. Simply turn on your keyboard by sliding the switch and you have power indicator. Simply plug in your USB-C to charge and you have a red indicator. Turn on your keyboard. Locate on your computer your Bluetooth device or the USB-A port and set up your unit. And you can simply type like that. It is set up immediately without notification. With the keyboard in the URL, you're able to type in on top. The 2.4 gigahertz dongle is needed, and by holding down the FN key, page up, we have different colors, and pressing down, we have different colors. And hitting the end. The keys are breathing with the page up and FN. With the FN and the delete key, it shuts off and on the light. With the FN key and the up and down arrows, we brighten and lower a number of increments the light. All this information can be found in the owner's manual as well as your keyboard. With the keyboard and the USB-A plugged into a port, you're able to type on top. This is a keyboard only, wireless, battery operated, hours of use for your TV, smart TVs, computers, desktop computers, laptops, gaming, and more. I hope you decide if this is the right product for you. Thank you for viewing.